Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twitch account step by step clearly. To activate your Twitch account, start by navigating to the Twitch website. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Enter a username, which will be your on-screen identity. Create a strong password to secure your account. Provide an email address that you have access to. After entering your details, click the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Twitch. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Twitch website. Now, click on the Login button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the two-factor authentication setup. Once logged in, you can customize your account settings. Explore your account settings to update your profile, add a bio, and set up your stream preferences. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Twitch interface and community guidelines. Congratulations! Your Twitch account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.